Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming with a super cool product. This is from AT&T.com. You can go to the website and check it out. They got a chance to send us one to review, and I got to tell you, I have fallen in love with this baby. It is awesome. It's basically like having a powerful computer in your hand. It's even got a pen that you can take and use with it, a stylus, if you will, and it just rocks. On top of that, it works on AT&T's 5G network. You can go to AT&T.com to find out more about it and order one up, or you can click on the link on the chrisvossshow.com. Let's go over some of the powerful specs of this. It's got great note-taking, drawing tools, a powerful core inside of it. We'll get to that. And it's very light and portable with 5G technology. So you can basically use your tablet anywhere you want. It's big and beautiful, and it's really nice to look at. Watching movies, just screen-wise, it's just very elegant. The pen is incredibly responsive, and I love it. So some of the key features of this: it's an 11-inch screen with a 120 hertz refresh rate, 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel dual rear camera, and 8 megapixel front camera. It's got the responsive S Pen, of course, and it comes in weight at 17.6 ounces. The display size is 11-inch TFT, resolution 2560 by 1600. Holy crap. The colors are 16 million. The camera, of course, as we mentioned, has a 13 and 5 dual. The video capture on it is 4K at 30 frames per second. The playback is at 4K at 30 frames per second. And it's got the front-facing camera of 8 megapixels. It will shoot Pro, Panorama, Food, Night, Live Focus, Pro Video, Hyperlapse, Live Focus Video, Bixby Vision, AR Zone. The battery capacity on it is 8,000 milliamp hours. I got to tell you, sometimes I just charge it once every other day or something. I just love this unit. It runs on a processor chipset of Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Pro. It's got an octa-core of 4 different cores, internal memory storage of up to 128 gigabytes, expandable storage up to 1 TB. The memory format is a micro SD card, and RAM is 6 gigabytes. It runs on the operating system Android, wireless technology, 5G Plus from AT&T, of course, and the SIM type is Nano. I highly, highly recommend this thing. I love it. I just love this thing more than some of my other tablets that I have from some competitors. It's a really, really nice tablet. You definitely are going to need a case for it. I got to tell you, you definitely want a case because it's screen to screen on the or edge to edge on the screen, and you don't want to be dropping this baby. But it is a beautiful, efficient, super wonderful to look at device. I think you'll enjoy it. Go to AT&T.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested. Chris Voss approved.